Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad Edge. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting equation which is given as tetration of 2. In this video we will explain why tetrations are not teach in the school level, and we will also explain the difference between tetration and exponent. This is not an exponent. If we write as 10 raised to power 2. 10 raised to power 2. This is the exponent of 10. 2 is the exponent of 10. In this, 2 is the exponent of 10, and we can write it as 10 times 10, which is equal to 100. Similarly, if we have 10 raised to power 3, it means 3 is the exponent, and from this we can write 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1000. That is 1 followed by 3 zeros. That is the power which is equal to the number of zeros followed by 1. So similarly, if we write 10 raised to power 4, then it means that 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1 followed by 4 zeros. So from this we can conclude that exponent is a repetition or repetition of multiplication. From this we can conclude that from this we can conclude that exponent is a repeated multiplication, and if we write 10 3, then it means that it is the third tetration of 10. So this is called the third tetration of 10, and we can write it as 10 power 10 power 10. So from this we can conclude that tetration is a repeated power. Tetration is a From this we can conclude that tetration is a repeated power. So it is the repetition of power involves in tetration, whereas in exponent there is a repetition of repeated multiplication. Now if we try to solve this number, uh, if we can write it as 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 10. So this 10 raised to power 10, these two powers can be written as 10 raised to power 10. It means that 10 times of 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 raised to power 10 means that 10 times of 10, that is 1 followed by 10 zeros, 4, 7, and this is the 10 zeros, which is equal to 10 billion. So from this we can write 10 raised to power 10 as 10 billion. Hence this whole term, the third tetration of 10, now will become 10 raised to power 1 followed by 10 zeros. That is, now if we want to write it or we want to evaluate this, we cannot have enough space. That is 1 followed by 10 million zeros. Then we can calculate the value of this, which is not possible for us, and which is a very huge number, and not. This is the reason that tetrations are not teach at school level, because at school level we are not going to deal with such huge numbers, as titration is very much huge as compared to exponents. So from these calculations, these examples, we can conclude that a a number in exponent is much smaller than a number in titration. From our given example, we can write it as 10 raised to power 3, very much smaller than third titration of 10. So this is the difference between exponent and titration. Now we will solve this given number, which is third titration of 2, and according to these explanations we can write it as this third titration of 2 can be written as is equal to 2 power 2. Now we can solve it as 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. This is the simple calculation of this. On the other hand, if we solve 2 raised to power 3, then it is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. And we can see that third titration of 2 is 16, which is double as compared to the uh, exponent of 2. So according to this, it is your assignment that to find the values of fourth titration of 2 and fifth titration of 2, and from these two values you will notice the increase in the answer. As we increase only one titration in here, and there will be a huge increase in the final answer. So this is your assignment. Find the answer of these two and please share with us in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.